Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pick some fruit. Here we got one of the few mangoes I got left here. And
wait.
Here we go. Fruit picker here, and the mango just pull a little bit. We're good. And you notice? How do you know when it's ready? Well,
It's a big mango.
Yeah, these mangoes are big. Camp mangoes right here. So these are ready when they start to turn yellow or red. So there you go. Now let's go over here. I'm gonna pick, I think, one of the last Mameys I got ready for this season because it has a bunch of other ones that will be ready for next season.
But what?
This one should be already because I've already taken a few out because sometimes they don't all come at the same time. But I'm gonna take my chance because once they get ready, sometimes they drop. If they drop on the floor here, especially if they have cement here, they're gonna shatter and I can't use it anyway. So I'm gonna try to get it, take my chances that it's ready because it's pretty high up. I usually sometimes you can prick the bottom of it, and if it's pinkish orange kind of color, then it's ready. You can get it. But this one I can't. It's too tall, so I can't risk getting up there. So let me see. Let me get it, and then we'll find out if it's ready or not. Let me see if I get it without dropping it. Okay, these you can kind of twist a little bit. There you go. See? And they come loose.
Victory.
Yeah. Well, see, this thing is like a couple pounds at least, and here locally you can get this at a decent price, and they're still like $5 a pound. So you're talking $10 to $15 right here with this fruit. Now here is what you do. You see the Mamey right here, and there you go. You see that? See? And a little bit higher up if you want. You see that pinkish reddish color right there, orangey kind of color? When it's like that, you're good. That means you leave it, and in a few days it'll soften up, you cut it, and you're ready to eat. So see, it was worth the chance. But I had already taken a few out, so it was kind of like a calculated risk I took here because once they get a little bit ripe enough, I've had a few fall before I get them, and then they split, and since they're not ripe yet to the point where they're soft and all that, you can't really eat them, so you waste it. So anyway, success. Well, thanks for watching. God bless.